Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing an oil-free and healthy Indian style egg sandwich recipe. It's filling, tasty and perfect for weight loss and weight management. And guys, I'm so glad that you guys loved the oil-free and eggless mayonnaise which I shared on my last video. And I just wanted to clarify some of your doubts regarding that recipe. Cashew nuts are rich in heart healthy fatty acids. They are also an excellent vegetarian source of copper, zinc, protein, antioxidants and vitamins. And guys, the best part is 1 tablespoon of the vegan oil-free and eggless mayonnaise contains just 36 calories. Typically a recipe just needs around 1 to 2 teaspoons of vegan mayo. So if you're making it for kids, you can slightly increase the mayonnaise to 1 tablespoon. But if you're health conscious and if you're on a weight loss journey and a lifestyle change, you can bring down to 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, especially for spreading on sandwiches like I'm sharing today. This quick and easy breakfast sandwich just takes under 5 minutes to make, or you can even pack this as a office lunchbox meal. You can even pack this as a school tiffin box meal for your kids. The sandwich is oil free and it is very easy to make. So let's get started with the recipe. To make egg sandwich, let's first quickly make a green chutney, and for that I have added 1 handful of coriander leaves into my chutney grinder, and into that I'm adding in 2 green chilies, a small piece of ginger, juice of half a lemon. I'm always looking for ways to add in some fresh curry leaves in my recipes, so I'm adding in 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in iron and folate, so if you have iron deficiency anemia, try to include curry leaves in your diet. Pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, a sprinkle of chaat masala. And now I'm going to grind all this. Okay, now the green chutney is ready. Now I didn't use garlic in this recipe since I'm using my vegan cashew mayonnaise in this recipe, which already has garlic cloves, and this recipe is completely oil free. I'm not using any oil in this recipe. The oil free and vegan mayonnaise has healthy fats in the form of cashew nuts, so we don't need any fat other than that in this recipe. I'm using 1 boiled egg in this recipe, and I have sliced into round slices. You can slice it in any way you like. You can even chop the boiled egg. Now if you want more protein in your sandwich, like if you are into gymming and you need more extra protein, you can add 2 boiled egg whites. I'm using 100% whole wheat bread. Now onto the bread slice, spread 2 teaspoons of the green chutney. Now this is the vegan oil-free and eggless mayonnaise which I had already shared, and you can see how thick and creamy it is. Please do check this recipe. Links will be updated below this video. And now I'm drizzling in 1 teaspoon of the vegan mayonnaise. And now I'm topping it with the egg slices, sprinkling in black pepper powder, sprinkling in a fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt, a sprinkle of chaat masala, some more extra green chutney on this slice of the bread too, and I'm placing some lettuce leaves over this for some added greens, and cover it with the other slice of bread. Now let's cut it into half, and my healthy oil-free egg sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.